Hi, I'm Jason. This block is also very convenient. As you can see now, it's raining, but we have a covered walkway that brings you directly to the car park, which is right in front of me. So if you are a driver, good news for you, you don't need to get wet. And if you are not a driver, it is also good news for you because you can see that there is Blue SG car for you to rent. Hello everybody, now I'm entering this beautiful 4-room, 990 square feet at 336A Yishun Street 31. Now I'm looking at this semi-open concept kitchen. The owner has actually removed part of the wall and they have renovated it into a very beautiful modern theme concept kitchen. All the cabinets come with slow closures and they also remove part of the barrier between the yard area and also the kitchen. This is to give it a more spacious feel, and yet they still preserve this useful area for laundry purpose. Now let's head out to the living hall. The living hall is definitely very spacious. The dining area is on one side, and on this side itself is also a dining area, but you can use it for other purpose since there is enough space. This living hall actually is overlooking an unblocked view of the street. If you sit down and watch TV over here, you can see the unblocked street view and you don't feel so claustrophobic. And the owner has spent quite a fair bit of effort on putting it up the feature wall. As you can see here, the beautiful brick wall. This HDB is of a condo layout. Now I'm walking towards the bedroom cluster. The owner has intelligently hid the bomb shelter door behind one of his panels. You still have a full-size bomb shelter, but yet you hide the unsightly metal door. On my left is actually the first common bedroom. This common bedroom can house a queen-size bed very easily. It's of a cozy design with cozy design color theme, and on my right here is actually the common toilet. The owner has actually renovated the vanity top and also the stand shower. Okay, right now I'm actually entering the master room. I need to explain to you how this master room actually works, because the owner has actually merged the master room and the common room together. Originally, the door of the common room is actually right here, but he has patched it up and he has opened the wall and so that he can join the master room and the common room together. So right now the common room, what we see here is actually the sleeping space, a very cozy, well-designed sleeping space, and the master room itself is actually converted into a very beautiful walk-in wardrobe cum study area. And right over here is actually the bathroom. The bathroom is also well renovated. They have changed out the vanity top as well. Okay, this is all I have for you today. If you are keen to build this beautiful unit, please contact me today before it is gone. Bye!